do is go to this URL. So github.com/scrutiusmaximus/bestcalculator. Then you go to the code tab, download a zip. Okay. Then go to your downloads folder and go to extract all to your downloads folder. And then all the files should appear there. Cool. And then what you do is go to python.org, go to the downloads section. So if you don't have Python installed already, so I'm on Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. And you go run the executable, customize your installation, make sure pip is checked, add Python to environment variables. Now I already have Python installed, so I'm not going to do this, but make sure to press install. So once you've done that, go to command prompt and type in pip install pygame. I already do the same with pyAutoGUI. I already have these installed, so I've not pressed enter, but make sure to do this. Once you have those modules installed, go to the folder and then run main.py.